What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to this quite important Bitcoin update. We'll talk about what's going on right now. We'll talk about the last 24 hours. But most importantly, we'll talk about today. Today is a very important fundamental day. We got the inflation rate for the US coming up. And excuse me, this is the first time I talk today and my voice is it's a little bit weird, but that happens. So as you can see on myfxbook.com, if you want to check it out, you can see that you have to go to the economic calendar. And what you can see then is that in approximately 5 hours and 30 minutes, we get the inflation rate. Most important ones are always year on year, right here, core inflation rate, normal inflation rate, and the CPI, which is the consumer price index, which, I mean, for the average Joe, this tells the most about the inflation. This is basically the price of like essential things you need. So food, clothes, energy prices, that kind of stuff. Those are the most important things. And in general, what you should know, and this is going to be a very fundamental update. We'll talk about the price as well, but the fundamentals really are most important today. I mean, if you want to know what Bitcoin is doing, you have to know this. So in general, the rule always is, and that's also the rule right now, if the inflation is higher than expected, so right now it's expected that it's 7.3, higher than expected is bad, lower than expected is good. That's just how the market works sometimes. I mean, altogether it's already dropping, so I doubt that the negative outcomes will be that bad if it's actually higher than expected. I mean, if it's higher than the previous one, then that's very bad, but still. So altogether, that's going to happen. I'll probably do a live stream actually when it's happening. So if you want to be notified about that, subscribe and check it out. I'll probably place the live stream announcement very soon after uploading these videos. But what we did yesterday we actually got quite a nice bullish touch off of 16,900. And we went up, broke above 17,100, which was our main resistance level again, and which is now support. I mean, what you can see right now is that, yeah, sure, I mean, we could almost eliminate this trend line. You can just see that there's bearish momentum weighing down on us. The trend line is not necessarily valid either. It's mainly this 200 EMA. So what's happening right now is that, yes, we've broken above 17,100. But now we're kind of stuck between 17,300 and 100. And I mean, ahead of those, ahead of the inflation rate, we will only have like 1 or 2 more candles. So I'm actually not expecting big moves before the inflation rate. I could be wrong about that, but I'm not expecting it. I think in the next 1.5 candle. We'll actually stay between 17,300 and 17,100. Maybe we'll spike up a little bit, maybe we'll spike down a little bit, but I don't think we'll close below or above that. So then the inflation rate comes. If it's higher than expected, what's going to happen is that we'll probably drop down to 16,800, take a break retest, and I also think we'll drop down to, it's hard to say actually. I think we'll drop down to 500, to 16,500 at least. But as I said, the inflation rate is still going down, which is a positive macroeconomic development. So altogether, I mean, this would happen, I think, but it wouldn't be too bearish for the long term. But on the other hand, if it's actually lower than expected, I think we can do great things. I think we'll break above 16 or 17,300. I think we'll break above 450, and I think we'll get up to 17,600, excuse me. And then from there, I mean, I think we got a small chance of actually breaking above this and getting to our next price target at 18,000. But I'm not too sure about that, and it almost seems too good to be true. So I'd say this is the main thing. And then tomorrow, if we actually get some positive remarks regarding the interest rate, then we could also do something like this. All right, but more updates on that tomorrow as well. For now, that's my take on Bitcoin, everything you should know today. And yeah, take care, enjoy your Tuesday, and bye.